Mechanics. We have a question here. Then we will write the answer on the paper provided to every one of you. How's my English? Very good.
Okay. Yes.
For every one sheet of one paper, only one answer only.
Kailangan mag-answer yung parehas.
I give also. This one is okay. You listen very carefully. Open your ears. Close your eyes. Don't look back. Just concentrate.
Sample lang.
First question. Who is first class like that? No.
Sample lang yan. Ganun tanong.
Then you will have your
Best friend kayo ha. We're talking about 4 years.
4 years. 25 years ago.
Saan?
Ay, listen. Don't talk.
Siya ang translate na English.
Give me the mic.
Saan?
I'm an answer to the
PFC.
Where?
Yeah, okay.
Saan ang paborito?
Where is your favorite hangout?
Sa school?
In school?
No, 4th year tayo.
When you're escaping the classroom? Okay.
Go.
10 seconds. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, Sundari magbilang sa English. 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? Oh my God, my microphone. Alright. Miss Tan, what's your answer? Pergola. Your partner? Pergola. Alright. Alata. Magkakatsada silang dalawa. Okay?
You are there?
Okay, listening. Quadrangle. Kanting.
Ibang kausap mo nun. Okay. No sense. You ready? Disco. Sa yung group. Magkikinis ko yung honey. Kantin. Wala pala sa ating malusok. Okay.
Wala pa na.
Kantin.
Wala.
Yung Bill. Bisa nakita. Yung my love. Kantin. Yung kantin.
Okay.
Only two the same answer.
One.
Alright, next question.
Okay, tuloy siya. Next question.
Who is your You listen to me, contestant. I will give the question only to the people who are facing to me, okay? Those who are facing them, just look to them, okay? You understand me? Okay. Ano ang favorite perfume? Your favorite perfume? Ay, hindi ka awas.
Gutom na.
Alright. I'm sorry. Sino ang favorite female actress mo? Write your answer now. Who is your favorite?
Mga nakaharap dito.
Yeah, you the one person to me, you will be the answer.
No. Oh, not favorite.
Yung nasa rin,
Kaya kung naulaan niya.
sasagutin sila.
Sasagutin kayo. Kung sila lang sasagot.
Yeah.
Pareha.
Who is your favorite actress?
Alam mo yung favorite actress niya.
Okay?
Hindi, yung tinatanong siya. Favorite actress niya. Okay, yun lang ang favorite actress niya. Pero kayo, kaya alam, oh, yan, susunod din. Yun ang sa likod. Babe, okay? May sagot na? Okay.
May see your answer mo? Sharon Cuneta. Okay? You, Marcel Soriano. Alright. You, Lorna Tolentino. Okay. Angelina Jolie. Alright. The question is, who is your favorite actress before? Okay, it's alright. You, my love? Sharon Cuneta. You, honey?
Oh, meron na tayong match.
Kay Jim, Sharon. Kay Ben, Vilma Santos. Hindi na sila nakikita ko. Sharon Cuneta and Sharon Cuneta.
Oh, 2 points to the babes. 1 point.
Honey, you be something. The one who is facing to me, I'm the one I will asking you. Okay. Anong katangian ang nagustuhan mo sa iyo ng best friend mo? What's your best traits? What's your friends like you most? Oh, okay. It's very good. Anong katangian ang nagustuhan ng best friend mo sa iyo? Okay. Okay.
Ano ang sabihin mo yung nagustuhan niya sa'yo?
Finish.
Please, please. Huwag ka nag-iisip, ang hirap.
Sabi niya, mabait. Siya, mabait at tapat.
Okay.
Yun, mabait. Mabait.
Oh, please.
Okay. You, honey. Be practical. Hey, you listen to me, my love. Where's your answer? Mabait also. You, beautiful. Mabait also. Honey, my love, give me your answer.
Oh, mabait din.
You,
Hindi
sexy.
na sila babes.
You, friendly. Okay.
3 na sila babes.
Honey,
Two.
correct answer.
3.
You, two. Question number 4.
Last, ano to? Last question na? Okay.
What is your theme song during your high school days?
Your team song during your high school
Theme
days.
song ninyong mag-best friend ng high school tayo. Okay, start na. Answer your question.
Saan tayo? Sharon Cuneta na naman yung kanta na yan.
No questioning.
Dear Heart.
English na
Heart,
gano'n.
ano ba? Love first. Lupang hinirang. O, diba? No kakili.
No, not watching from the others.
Beat it.
Okay, no worry. P.S. I love you.
Benjin, sabi sa inyo, Kuya Sharon
P.S. I love
Cuneta.
you. Sharon Cuneta.
Wow.
Wow. High school life. High school life.
Oh!
You, my love.
Oh, dear heart.
You, heart. You, honey. You're my best friend. Okay, you love hurts. You no hurts. Where's your answer, my love? No answer. That's why no hurts. Okay. You answer. No eat. That's what friends are for. Okay? That's what friends are for. So perfect. We have
Winner, may winner na tayo.
oh, maybe not that.
Kinabins! Okay.
Okay, you too. Okay. Come to Pagkakon. Dito may iwas.